Guys, starting out for today, got everything set up. Trying to get these door bars fit in. Might try and get the unibrow fit in. I have something a little bit later, so I'm just trying to get as much as I can done while I'm here. Ooh, I got a nice little swoop to my hair. But yeah, so let me show you what I'm kind of working on now. This is the driver's side door bar that I got fitted and tacked in. Fits pretty well. Made sure the gap's pretty even all the way across. If we go to the other side, I've been trying to fit this. Almost there, almost there. Just got to grind off the bottom part of this notch a little bit to get it set a little farther down. Yeah, so I got to do that, and then I'll figure out what the book says to do from there, and we will continue on with it. So I got door bar frames and the A-pillar bars, the whole main hoop done. Trying to get these door bars. I have the unibrow bar and the over-the-top bar and the dash bar, along with the front supports. And obviously the actual NASCAR style door bars, which I'll have to fit and figure out. I want to try and do as minimal shaving to my doors as possible, but I know that won't be exactly easy to do. So I might have to just build it the right way, shave my doors, and figure out windows later. But yeah, that will be a problem for another time. Right now, it's just getting these bars fit in. Keep dremeling away at this because I was using the grinder before. But at this point, I'm trying to take off just a small amount of material to get it to slide in. So I'm going to keep just dremeling away at it, trying to get it a little farther down. Just gotta, you can see there's a space on there. I have to take the bottom out a little bit more, get that notch a little worked out, and that should allow it to keep sliding farther down on that pipe. That one is good. It is in the right spot, right angle. It's not like flush, but it's pretty good. Gonna keep working on that door pipe. Again, at this point, trying to get it as close as possible. I'll have to, all these other ones, probably break the welds and grind them a little better down because some of them are pretty shitty. I think it's going pretty well. I have to fix this X-bar because it's hard to tell, but the top part is like 1-2 degrees off from the rest of it, and it bothers me. So I'm gonna have to go through and re-tack that in. But other than that, it's going well. It's a little warm out today, but that's no big problem. I've had worse. So gonna get back to it and see if I can get that bar rest of the way in. So this door bar is almost sitting down where it should be. It just needs a very slight more notching, just to let it go down. It's a lot less room than it was, but still needs to be farther down. Hey guys, made a little bit of progress. Kind of did some rough cuts to the eyebrow bar. Have the dash kind of in there now. I'm gonna start working on the dash bar. But I do have to make some notches in the corners of the dash to fit those door A-pillar bars because it does contact. I'm also gonna need to modify my heater core just a bit to give it a little notch to allow that dash bar to properly sit where it's supposed to. Yeah, so I'm gonna notch the dash, try and get it to sit a little bit farther back in proper resting place, and I will go from there, I guess. Ooh, I almost dropped my bottle. I made the first cut right there, little notch. I'm giving it room, so if I need to notch it more, I don't notch too much at first. But damn, that felt bad to do. That was, I mean, I've cut parts of this car a lot, but I don't know. Notching out that dash was a little nerve-wracking. But I guess we're on to the other side. This one has the VIN plate on it. I really don't want to cut the VIN plate, so I'll probably just take it off. I don't know where I'm going to put it or if I'm even going to put it back on. But it is in my way, so it has to come off. Hey guys, I'm back. Got an interior in the Miata. It's exciting. This is not the final interior fit. This is just a test fit to kind of fit with the door bars. I mean the dash bar, which I have to put in. I was first notching the, I'm umming a lot, but I was notching the dash so that I could actually get the A-pillar bars to fit. Let me flip around and show you guys. So I notched a little bit more than I had to. It's probably easier to see from this side, but had to get that A-pillar bar to fit with the dash. All the mounting holes line up on both sides, which is great. All seems to fit really well, which I'm super happy about. Then I need to take it all out again and start fitting that dash bar and modify as needed. I know that I have to do some slight modification in my heater core in order to get it to fit, but that really should be not much of a problem. Okay, so the dash is back out and the heater core is in. Have to notch the top part of it right here where the bar is gonna go. I've notched the bar, got it cut to length. It's gonna go across, I can't really show with the heater core in the way. About right there behind the dash, and fits pretty well. Just need that little notch out for the heater core so that the bar will clear. So let's get to it. Door bar has been fitted up in place with the notch in the heater core. Fits all up. I am now removing the vents from the back of the dash, and we are going to try and fit this dash in, make sure it all lines up and everything. The dash bars all fit, and now I am going to start working on the upper door bar on the driver's side. I'm really anxious about these door bars. Really anxious. I don't want to have to shave my doors too much, but I know I'm going to have to shave it all the way to the skin. I'm just delaying accepting that fact. But I'm going to try and get it fit and tacked in, and then I'll see about modifying this door. But we'll see. Okay, so I'm getting there. Damn it. I just crushed my drone wheel. Oh well. Notched out the bottom of the dash right here just so I could get this lower part of the bar up just a bit. Then I'll obviously have to trim and notch this and figure out exactly where I want it. I kind of just put this bar, again, not trimmed at all, in here to hold it up so it doesn't fall. See how it looks. I think it looks cool as hell. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Again, very nervous about these. Don't know how far it's gonna come out. Don't know how much I'm gonna need the notch, but it will be an interesting experience. So right now I'm going to continue trying to slightly trim down and fit this upper door bar and just see how good I can do it. Just take little by little off, figure out what angle seems good, what fits with the seat well. Obviously I'm not gonna stick with stock seats forever, so I'm trying to give it a little bit more leeway, a little bit more room, as much as I can. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going with it, and I might fix the X bar right here because it is a few degrees off than the bottom one right here. I don't know if you can really tell in the video, but it is just a little bit off and it does bother me, so that will have to be fixed before the welding. But yeah, it's looking good. It's about ready for me to start tacking some stuff in. Got this door bar kind of fit up. Ooh. Definitely gonna have to do some trimming. I have to tack in that lower door bar, and I'm gonna not tack in the dash bar for now because the door bars will have to come out to be fully welded. Yeah, it's coming along. I'm happy with the progress. So I'm gonna probably tack in a few things and see the fitment wise and see what I have to do to this door to make this door bar fit. So yeah. Guys, sorry about not updating much. Trying to update when I remember. That bar is tacked in for now at the right heights and trying to get this to the same level and notch it out. I had to cut a little bit just to get the bars to fit. I'd have to do the same on the other side, so But yeah, it's coming along. Just gotta cut to length and notch and fit it up and get it to work, then tack it in. So it's coming along. Here we go, all fitted and tacked in. Now we have 2 door bars, the eyebrow bar. The only thing we need is like the crossover bar and the dash bar, but the dash bar is already fit. So it's pretty close to the end. I do need my supports in my door bars. That will need to be done. I'm probably gonna take a little break. I've been on it for a while and it's really humid out here, but I am trying to get this done today, so we'll see what we can do. I like that. Hey guys, so I didn't film this part. I got off work, then my coworker slash friend came over and we knocked out getting this door cut out. Fucking, it's nerve-wracking. Really was. I'm gonna have to figure out a little bit about windows and door locks and stuff like that. But for now, ooh, if I can even get it open. There we go. But for now, it is functional. I need to clean it up a bit, and it does fit with the door bar, so closes just fine. And right now I have to open it like this, but yeah, that's probably my short little update for today. It's already getting a little dark. The Chevette's running. I'll get some videos of it tomorrow, but yeah, it's pretty. I might go get pictures tonight, so we'll see. I'm a little beat. I want to clean up a little bit and again, maybe take the Chevette out and then take a shower. But it's gonna be. Tomorrow is going to be working on the Miata all day Miata, which is going to be nice. I'm going to be finishing up the bars for the cage, and then I do have my friend coming over tomorrow to actually come and weld this thing up, which is exciting. But that will be all for this wonderful Tuesday, and unless I go and take up the Chevette, then ignore this. I'm out at a park. It's about sunset. Gonna try and take some pictures of the Chevette. This thing is wicked. I love this thing. It's just a piece of junk, but it brings back good memories. Goodish. There she is. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm in the Chevette. I'm about to start it up. This thing is loud for now. I'm gonna try and fix it tomorrow, but yeah, sounds fucking wild, especially while driving. I'll get a few clips. There we go, the beautiful sunset. But this thing. And there we go, home sweet home again. Back with the other ones. Still definitely need some tuning. Gonna put the exhaust on tomorrow, but it lurches quite a bit. It doesn't run right, but we'll get there eventually. At least now it runs. And now I think that will be it for today, but definitely we'll be getting up early tomorrow morning and knocking some shit out. So, I don't know if it would be in a different video, but I'll catch you guys. See ya. Damn, the windshield's cracked.